When she first walked into my office, I knew my life was going to change. Life has a way of throwing curveballs. Curveballs when you least expect them.
Go away. We're closed.
But Mr. West, I have nowhere else to go.
Oh, excuse me. Please come in. Can I offer you a drink, a cigarette?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
This sort of take the chill out of you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, Mr. West.
Oh, please call me Dixon.
Mr. West, my husband's been murdered and I fear for my life.
Why not go to the police? I'm just a small-time detective. I do debt collection, petty thefts, spying on wayward husbands. Why me?
Money's no object.
I don't understand.
Well, there isn't a body.
Who was this dame? Saunters into my office after hours, dumps more cash than a dick like me would earn in 10 years, and tells me a sob story about her old man being killed. And to top it off, there's no body to be found. And what does she want me to do? God only knows. She bruised out as she'd bruised in. But I'll tell you this for nothing. She definitely left her mark.